Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we'll show you how to create a Gmail account without needing to provide a phone number. Let's get started. First, let's access the Gmail sign-up page. You can do this by visiting www.gmail.com. Now, enter your personal information, such as your name and the email address you want to create. Next, it's time to create a strong password. Ensure it's secure to keep your account safe. You'll now see a prompt for phone number verification. Here's the trick: simply click Skip or to bypass this step. Now, let's complete the recovery options by adding an alternative email address for account recovery. Please read the terms and conditions. If you agree, go ahead and check the box to continue. You're almost done. Now, you can customize your profile if you want to add a personal touch. Congratulations! You've successfully created your Gmail account without a phone number. Explore all the great features Gmail offers. Now, let's address some common questions you might have faced during the sign-up process.